So, hello everyone. Once again, I'm back with Let's Discuss series. Okay, so I'm free from now, and you can post your questions right there. And tomorrow there will be video out there coming on various things like on bug bounties and privilege escalations. So make sure you check out them. Now you can post your questions. So hello, Muhammad Abdullah. Hello. You can post your questions. Okay, tomorrow most probably I'll be making a video on bug bounty, and then I'll show you how you can do a Windows privilege escalation in an automatical way. Okay, so those are the videos that are going to come, and now you can post your questions. I'll try to answer them. Random questions out there on cybersecurity or anything else, I'll try to answer them. So, can you prefer a best institution in India to learn cyber security? See, Cyber Mallu or anything else. So, the best way to learn cyber security is through self learning. Okay, so that's what I could recommend to anyone out there. And there are no institutes out there teaching out hacking. There could be, but those are not popular. Self learning is the best way. Okay, that's what I prefer, and that's what I would recommend to anyone who are willing to do good in cyber security. And if you don't mind, Mallu, I already made a video on how to get started with cybersecurity, and there I also provided some resources like what are the books you need to read, what are the courses you can do out there in internet, and you can be a good ethical hacker. Okay, so do check that video out. That's a recent video, and you'll get your questions answered. Okay, you don't need to be a part of any university or organization to be a cybersecurity expert or a penetration tester or ethical hacker. You can do all those things on own as well. Okay, so any more questions out there regarding cybersecurity, or you could also suggest me some videos. I'll try to help them out. Yeah, I'm preparing for OSCP. Okay, I'm preparing for OSCP, but by the end of 2021 I'll be an OSCP certified. Okay, I can give you assurance for that. Okay, right now I'm certified ethical hacker master certified. Okay, so that's what the valuable certifications I have, but the next one would be OSCP. And also, guys, if you are having any doubts or anything else regarding cyber security or anything else, you can check out my Discord server or Telegram. The links are in the description below. Okay, and you can get some help through my Discord as well. That's the best way. If you can reach me out, or if you want to reach me personally, you can reach me out on Twitter. All the links of them are in the description below. Hi, Sainath. Hello. How to get a part-time job in ethical hacking while studying in college? That depends on skill. That depends on, completely depends on skill. Okay, like you can work for an organization, or you can teach things. Okay, you can do things. uh, yeah, hello active, hello Vedant, I hope you are really fine and I'm really doing good. CCNP security versus OSCP. I feel OSCP is the best. Okay, bro, make video on how to build your own OTT platform. I think that's related to coding. That's mostly related to coding. Okay, but yes, you can do. There is a possibility, but I'm not much into those development. Pratap, okay, mostly into attacking things. I even built some websites, but I'm not so pro in them. So, any more questions? I'll try to answer them. Any more questions? I'll try to answer them, which are related to cybersecurity. Okay, and you can give me some suggestions. Most probably tomorrow, guys, you'll be getting a video on cross-site scripting, which is most probably reflected accesses. If possible, I'll try to show it on a live website. Okay, and OSCP is the best according to me, but I don't know whether they are popular or not. OSCP is the best because it's having value in the market. So I would recommend OSCP if you're looking for jobs. Okay. Yes, sure, 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 sure. Server side request forgery. Okay, sure. Yeah, what I'm planning is I'm planning to make videos on bug bounty as well as on what you call normal hacking as well, ethical hacking stuff parallelly. So yeah, if possible, there would be a live tomorrow morning, or tomorrow morning there will be a video out there on cross-site scripting. Okay, reflected accesses if possible. If possible, I'll try to show them on a live website. Okay, if you don't report it, it would be fine. And also make sure you have your bob suit set it up. Okay, if you want to do those things. See, I can't answer these questions, Cyber Monlo. Okay, there are many websites out there which provides you the salaries and stuff. Okay, I'm not the guy who look into those things. Okay, you can do check them out in any Glassdoor or any website. Okay, just ask questions that are related to technology and stuff. Okay, I'm not much into these kinds of things. And if possible, I'll be live tomorrow morning as well. Okay, if possible, can give an assurance, but if possible, I'll be live tomorrow, uh, where we'll be doing some hack the box or try hack me stuff. Okay, if you have good skills, yeah, you'll have, yeah. There is nothing like there is anything fixed for anyone. Okay, everything depends on your skill. If you are really good at it, then you can create new records as well. Okay, like you can break out what you call uh, the average and stuff. Okay, bro, can you tell me about hashing cybersecurity? So hashing is what, or nothing like, so you take a large chunks of data and you pass through a hash function and you'll be getting a data which is of fixed length. Okay, so what most probably happens is, so it's like a little bit of encryption. Okay, it's a little bit like encryption, but it's not completely encryption. Most of our passwords saved out there on websites are hashed. Okay, I already made, like, it's a type of encryption. Okay, you can call it a type of encryption. I had already made a video out there on how you can crack hashes using hashcat. You can find out that video. Hi Gautam, hello. So thank you everyone for coming to live, guys. I really appreciate spending your time out there. Yeah, I'm fine. Can you explain it? Right now, I'm studying. I'm not working anywhere, Abdullah. Okay. Right now, it's going to college, and after coming to college, I'll work for some time on the works and stuff, on college works and stuff, and then I do these kinds of things. Okay. So that's what my daily routine is. But nowadays, I'm concentrating a little bit on bug bounty. Okay. Recently, I reported some cross-site scripting vulnerabilities out there on some websites like Urban Pro and thing. Okay. Difference between XSS and CSRF. XS, yeah, you'll be getting answered. Okay, CSRF, I already made a video on that, Gautam. Okay, you can do check that out. Cross-site scripting is a different thing. Okay, both are client-side related attacks only, but yeah, it's not on target server. It's on the client's machine only. Okay, no, they haven't responded yet. They'll respond, I think so. But anyhow, I found a bug vulnerability. Both are. Both are used to attack the user only. Okay, so with XSS you can steal the cookies, with CSRF you can change the passwords. Okay, there are some things. Okay, but sure, I'll definitely answer them. I think I had already made a video on CSRF, cross site request forgery. I had already shown detailedly, uh, but XSS I'll be making video tomorrow. Okay, no worries, no worries. If possible, I'll try to show them on live websites if possible, and I'll also show you how you can do that manually and automatically as well. Okay, it is always better to use manual pen testing. See, I had recently I participated in a bug bounty program from Bugcrowd, and one of the requirements specified by the customer or the client is they are requesting not to submit any automated tool results. Okay, they only want the manual results. Okay, see, if you think, oh, you could report something some result that automatic some tool or thing generated, then even the company also has those tools and they can run it and they can also see it, right? The only thing most preference is given to is manual pen testing. Okay, so try to learn it, and you could automate the stuff, but manual testing is the best way. Okay. Can you explain about web cache poisoning? To CH exam, I know. I want to know it. Sure, that's. See, every browser has a little bit of cache. Okay, so cache memory is where something like, uh, suppose if you take your laptop and let's think that you are always opening, like you are opening Chrome frequently, so there is something called like cache memory. So that cache memory stores the applications or the process that are frequently used by you, and same applicables for the websites as well. If you like if you take a browser, if you are accessing youtube.com most of the time, then some particular data is being stored in the cache. So what the attacker tries to do is stuff some unwanted stuff into the cache, web cache, and he tries to attack it. Okay. uh, yes, so really thank you. So my name is Satvik. So I generally make videos related to cybersecurity and bug bounty on my channel. So that's everything regarding my channel. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, cache for fast response. Yeah, thanks, Kamal. Network pen testing. I already made some videos, right? Like on SMB and on some. Okay, okay. So I think I got you on Wi-Fi. I think so. So see, mostly network pen testing comes under Wi-Fi hacking and what you call man in the middle attack, packet analysis and stuff. But mostly those are being removed by YouTube. So I can't make them. but you could definitely possibly see them. So now one mostly, I mean, which category is Wireshark is important for CH? We'll ask questions he asked on it. Yes, yes, there will be some questions which will be being asked on Wireshark filters. Okay, I think I had covered some of them filters, but yes, there are yet to come. Okay, yet to come. No need. See DDoS. What's the DDoS? Can I know what's the reason why it came there? Also, please make a next video explaining network architecture, please. Okay, it's like okay, OSI and TCP by IP. Sure, sure, sure. But it would be a little bit late. Okay, it would be scheduled a little bit late because there are so many videos that are going to come. But yeah, no worries. I'll add them to my list. No worries at all. If you are asking me about for to make a videos on DD voice, it couldn't be possible. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry because you need to understand the YouTube policies as well. YouTube is not letting content which are flagged as harmful, okay, but it is allowing the content which are for educational purpose. So no problem for all my stuff. But coming to these kinds of attacks, it would be a little bit problem. Yeah, you can join the Telegram if you are interested, but if you want more interaction, Discord is the best place. Okay. Uh, Plans? No, I'll be making content. That's all. If you make good content, then automatically community grows. So that's what I believe in. Don't like doing any kind of cheap tricks or anything else. I'll make content. Okay. Who would like they would be part of community or else no problem. Not at all an issue. Okay. I'm interested in learning cybersecurity and how where to start from scrap. I think Akil, I already made a video on how to get started with cybersecurity. Okay, I think I had already made lots of videos out there on Hack the Box, like 10 to 20 videos out there. That too live. Okay, that too live hacking. So you can do check that out. I already made live streams. Okay, Akil, I'll come back to your question. Anna, I'm thinking to take exam on 28th. Just finish the course. It is enough. Like I completed after 7 days only. If you like, if you are confident, you can write it, or else take some time. That's not at all an issue. Akil, I already made a video out there on how to get started with cybersecurity. If someone could provide the resources, just a minute. Just a minute, I'll provide you the link out there. Akil, that's the video. Okay. See, digital marketing versus cybersecurity, those are two different things. Okay, there is no relation between them. Digital marketing comes under ads and stuff, but cybersecurity is different. There is no relation between them. That completely depends. I can't say this is best or that's best. That completely depends on your touch out there on that skill and also experience and many things. Okay, I can't give anything. Can you some? No need. I think so. No need. I think so. But future we would. Bro, using. But what's the use of making OTT for me? I'm not sure regarding it, Pratap. Like I'm not much into this development stuff. But you could find some other resource. I think so. That depends. See, job opportunities. I can't say. I'm not here. I'm not what you call like Glasswire or anything else. There are many websites out there which tells you what's the best job and what are the salaries and stuff. Don't ask me related them, okay? Please. So hi Sriram, hello. Please guys, don't ask me related jobs and stuff. There are many websites out there which uh which gives information regarding these kinds of things. Do ask them, okay? So they will provide you some with some valuable stuff, okay? So please don't ask anything. I think I had uploaded it in my Libri TV. Okay. I'll provide you the link in the Discord. No worries. No worries at all. So tomorrow morning there would be live. There possibly there would be a live. Okay. So Anna, did company started up? No, not yet. I'm still in third year, second sem. So it takes a little bit of time. Not approaching me. It's like approaching the college. Okay. Please make an idea of how much it costs for OCP training and like I haven't registered for it yet, Srira, but it costs like 1000 USD. Okay, 1000 USD. Like approximately you can handle like 1 lakh, okay, in Indian rupees. Like it would be much, but uh, it would be much, but I can say like it would be like what I told. So if you convert 1000 USD to Indian rupees, it's like 70k, 72 or 80k, below 80k. But I'm telling it's like 1 lakh because I'm also not sure regarding what are the costs and stuff. I'm using Boya M1 mic. I think that's clear, right? Uh, yeah, 2001 and April 20. Okay, so that's my birthday, Gautam. Both training and exam, yes, they take for 1000 USD. You'll be getting training and 30 days of lab. Okay, but if you want to increase your lab time, there are various plans out there. Okay, so better prepare well and make sure you work because the lab costs like 100 USD. I think so. Okay. In hacking terms, Python Flask no needed. Python Flask is for web development with the help of Python, but it's not required at all in hacking. Okay. There are some various modules out there like Scapy and stuff. You can learn them if you are interested in Python for ethical hacking, or else you can check out my channel where like where I had already made videos on Python for ethical hacking. Okay, so no worries regarding that. And I think for exam retake it would cost like 150 USD. And there are some terms out there. Okay, I'm not sure, but I will read once I was applying for the exam. Okay, right now those are not those are things that I don't want to concentrate on. Okay. So we have an opportunity of job of, yeah, sure. It depends on skill, Sriram. I can't give any assurance. It is good. There is a good scope. There is definitely good scope for cybersecurity in future. Yeah, it's definitely helpful for CH preparation. I do follow a channel, or I don't know what they call in Reddit. In regarding CH, there are some good write-ups and good resources. You can do check them out. Uh, yes, in future, definitely I'll start a company active. Sorry, Vedant. It depends. Okay, I can't say any assurance. I can't give any assurance, Sriram. It completely depends on your skill. Like if you had seen the stats, the people who are passing OSCP are they don't even know the networking basics. Okay, like I'm not saying regarding anyone, but like there has been lots of cheating going on OSCP. So what I feel is like it's completely depend on your skill. Okay, whether you do a certification or not, it's not a matter. But if you have a certification you would be having a good preference, but even though you are having good preference and even if you don't know the skill, it would be like something like a bad thing. Okay, so even if you're having certification, make sure you have knowledge over that, so that you can have some good stuff going on with it. Okay, yes, only skills matter. LPT, OCP is the best. Okay, OCP is comparatively the best compared to all the penetration testing certificates. uh yeah, 10th and 12th certificates matters. What to do next? Start working. Start working on something uh like involved in something called as commutative coding. Okay, like solve some programs. Don't always learn, guys. To everyone watching, don't always learn. Try to implement what you learn. Okay, so that's what I would recommend, damn sure. Okay, always don't learn. Whatever you learn, keep it, apply on somewhere else. Okay, then you'll be a better in your field. Okay, it's your question. uh yeah, 10th and 12th certificates matter. So any more questions, guys? I would happy to answer them. I'd be really happy to answer them. How to decompile software for knowing its working method? I'll answer that later. Like, I'm not much into that. Bro, while we are planning a real website for Nmap, no need. Like, if the company is having any bug bounty program, you don't need to do all those things. Okay, but if you are hacking, like, the only use of proxies and VPN come into place when you are having bad intention on exploiting a particular website. But if you are having good intention, and even if the company is having a bug bounty or vulnerability disclosure program, then there is not at all a problem. Okay, because I scanned ton of websites using Nmap, but I haven't got any report or anything else. Okay, but if you're doing it for wrong intent, people generally use proxies and VPNs. Okay, but nowadays every website, every server is having a good good firewall. So mostly these Nmap scans are getting distincted. Okay, what are I'm not working, I'm student, just I'm still a student. You can say whether it is vulnerable by simply looking in the request or response. Okay, it's not at all possible. See, it's a research. Okay, just keep in mind that every cybersecurity expert does a research. If it's available for free, then everyone would do it, and there is no cybersecurity stream. Okay. You can see requests and responses so that you can understand how the website is behaving. Okay, like what it is doing, what are the data that's being passed, whether you could exploit some parameters or not, whether it's vulnerable for cross-site scripting or not. You can do endless things. Okay, but simply by looking into the what you call request and responses, you can do it. So any more questions, I would be happy to answer them. Think Sure. Right. So, bro, thanks a lot for picking my questions and answering me. Thank you. Gmail brute force possible or not? No, not possible. After what you call a after some invalid or wrong what you call after particular wrong amount of requests or attempts, it will definitely lock your account. Okay, so that's what it happens. Yeah, I'm preparing for OSCP. uh, how when are we going to take OSCP? So most probably the second part of second quarter of this year. Okay, like second part, most probably, because right now I'm having placement drives and stuff. Like I can't concentrate on all these things at a time, so I'm taking a little bit of break to OSCP preparation. But once it's completed, I'll get back to work. Okay. These are just what you call UV protected rays, UV light filtered glasses. That's all. I'm not having sight. Uh, Again, cool. So, are you doing CTFs? No, to be frank, no. But what I started doing was I started working on some live websites. So that's what I'm happy about. Like I'm involving part in bug bounties. Okay, bug bounties and bug bounties and stuff. Yes, I'm a BTech student. Can you please suggest me a website for training for OSCP? See, there is no website I can specify. Okay, but if you want to practice, Hack the Box or Try Hacking is the best. So those are the websites that I could specify. So yes, sure, yeah, no worries, no worries. There are videos coming out there. Like cross-site scripting is also a part of OS top 10. It's coming out there as I gave promise. Videos are definitely coming out there. Okay, no worries regarding the videos. Tomorrow morning, most probably there will be video on cross-site scripting. Okay, no worries regarding that. If possible, I'll continue that series and I'll show it on a live websites. Okay, if you guys don't report it, okay, if you guys report it, then he'll be in trouble. Yeah, ports figure is weapon testing, but as he's asking for OSCP, hack the box, or what you call one hub, or try hack me at the best. So any more questions on cybersecurity or anything else, I'll definitely try to answer them. See, in web app, we try to find bugs on websites, but in what you call Android pen testing, I'm not so serious. Okay, I'm just always as usual. Uh, in Android pen testing, what you try to do is you try to take a mobile application or Android application, and you try to find bugs in that. Okay, so that's the main thing. Can you please guide me to crack OSCP as a beginner? Like it's like 6 to 7 hours a day. Yeah, OSCP is not a beginner based exam. Okay, it's definitely not a beginner based exam. But if you're looking for something like beginner based exam, I think I had already made a video out there on some best cybersecurity specific certifications. Okay, you can do check that out, where I had classified regarding the streams like basic to intermediate. Okay. CH practical out of 10. Uh, what I thought was, when I completed my CH exam, I thought, uh, I felt like CH is overhyped. And as I registered for CH practical, I even thought that it is also being overrated, but it's not overrated. Okay, it's an underrated exam according to me, because they covered almost all things like web application penetration testing, what you call, uh, LDAP and things. Okay, like active directory pen testing, sorry, active directory pen testing and stuff. Okay, they covered almost all those things, and I was really shocked because it's one of the underrated exam, but it is not as hard as OSCP. Okay, like it is, you can call it like beginner to intermediate stuff. Okay, see, what happens is whenever you log in or log into a particular web application, so you don't need to log in all the time, right? Suppose, like if you logged in to your Gmail, whenever you open your browser, it will be always logged in, right? So what happens is whenever you log in with the correct credentials, the website provides you some cookies, and your browser stores all those things. So what happens is, those cookies doesn't change. Cookies are like data. Okay, you can call it like data. So the browser uses that cookies and authenticates so that you are the legitimate user. Okay. What? Okay, I think OCP exam, learn Android pen testing. No need. Right now I'm preparing for CH. I'm going to prepare OSCP. So what I'm asking, yeah, you can definitely get. So Sriram, yeah, sure. You can contact me once again on Discord. Okay, I'll try to help you out. Okay, no worries regarding that. And also, guys, if you are preparing for any certification exams, do find out some partners. Okay, don't be dumb. Okay, so add some of your partners so that you can learn something good. Okay, and you can be handy while for registering for exams or things. Okay, don't be foolish and don't be like things. Okay, if it's possible, be like be helpful. Okay, so that you can, it would be helpful to you, not only for preparing but for also registering and writing the exam. Okay, I'm using what you call built-in camera webcam. VNC is like what you call remote sharing. Okay, remote desktop sharing. Okay, VNC is application which helps you in sharing desktop. It's sometimes called a service. Okay, no problem regarding that. Remote desktop, you can remember it as remote desktop. Anna, what is suggestion to crack CH more than? Hi Sunil. So guys, so if you could check out Sunil Tech Code. So he's my friend, college mate, and he makes videos on programming. Right now he's starting a C programming language series. If you are really interested, do check his channel out. He's also one of a good teacher out there. Okay, you can do check out his channel. GNS3 is for networking. Okay, so that's what to crack CH. So guys, whenever you are preparing, prepare it as it's necessary for your life, not for marks. Okay, sometimes you will get marks, sometimes you won't get marks. Okay, it's not dependent at all. Join college, I think not able to watch your video. Sorry, bro. Yeah, sure, not at all an issue. I'm also preparing right now. Okay, so if possible, I'll share some resources that I used for preparing for CH. Okay, if possible, in Discord. Okay, so contact me. Is all once ping me out there. Create a what you call a server. Sorry, create a channel for CH preparation or stuff. Okay, so if possible, I'll share some Ansible. Not sure regarding that name, but I had heard of it once back. Those are Google questions, Mahipal. Okay, ask something which that I could answer. Okay, Google could answer that. Sriram, I think I made a video regarding laptop configurations, like best laptop configurations. You can check that video out where I had provided my information, like what you call uh, all the things that I know in that video. You can do check that out. It's like below 10-minute video, but you'll find definitely helpful things. On a total questions on networking CH according not. To be frank, I'm really having bad memory. Like I won't remember all those things. It would be like below 10, I think so. But I can't give any statement. Check out what you call weightage or things like that, so that you can get answered with your questions. Uh, Check out in Google. Okay, I'm not familiar with that. Asking about your laptop config, bro. Yes, in that video only I had provided my laptop configuration and stuff. Okay, check that video. That's a recent video. Check that out so that you'll get clarified. Okay. You, I'd be happy if I could do that. So how much time it takes to learn cybersecurity? I have gone through your video link. See, Akil, there is no something like a fixed time or anything else. It's completely depend on upon your learning skill. Okay, so if you're a fast learner and if you are really good at learning things, then it would be less time. But if you are a slow learner and if you take a little bit of time, then it will take it some time. Okay, it's completely depend upon your learning pace and your what you call your memory power and thing. Okay, yes, I had seen David Baumel videos. So I'm studying BTech third year right now. So done hard work in networking. So if you're good at networking, it would be cakewalk for you. Okay, like beginner things all will be cakewalk for you. But once if you are not familiar with all those basic things, then it would be problematic for you. I'm a KL even. I'm from KL University. Juice shop. Yeah, I think I uploaded a video out on one star challenges. I think so. But yeah, sure. As I told, there will be also bug bounty track going on. We'll cover everything. Okay, no worries regarding that. Yeah, right. That's a different story. We'll leave regarding those things. Okay. Past is past. Everything is completed. Let that go on. Just always concentrate on present. Okay. I tried, but I haven't achieved that. Okay. So, so think let's see what's the time now. Okay. We'll definitely meet you, Sainath. We'll definitely meet you. No worries. Hi, Satish. Hello. So, any more questions regarding cybersecurity and thing? Sleeping time, it depends. Okay. It depends on so many factors. There is no particular sleeping time. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I'm from India. So, in order to see or set some tasks, okay, can show everything because there are some private stuff or sensitive stuff. I can show you, but sticky notes is like it's a reminder, okay. So if you like, it's what you call it's just like a sticky note, like just to remember some things or things like that, okay. Just like a reminder, okay. So that's the main purpose I use sticky notes. Like I was practicing for Java, okay, the Java collection. So that's the reason why why I mentioned that there. Okay, there are many more things out there, but those are, as I told you, those are some little bit of sensitive stuff. So sticky notes on Windows is like the meaning is like sticky notes on Windows is like a general sticky notes. Okay, that's what my meaning was. So any more questions, guys? Like still, I think so. There is like 10 minutes of time. I mean, you usually spend how much time you enumerate for bugs in websites? I mean, time to say like spend. Okay, it depends. Okay, it depends on the hardness. Okay, Can say any specific time. It's completely dependent. 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So any more questions or anything else? I think still there is 10 minutes of time. If possible, I'll try to answer them. But if you need any support, as always, you can check out Discord. Okay, you can check out Discord server. Sure, sure. In the upcoming future, use Me Band 4. This is like 2 to 3 years old, or I think 2 years old. I'm not sure. Like 2 years old band, but still it's working fine. If possible, I'll post them on Instagram. No worries. So that's everything, guys. I think that's enough for today. I think so. So really, thank you for joining me for today. I think I had answered some of your questions, and if I haven't answered your questions, or if I had missed some of your what you call uh, some of them, do let me know in the comment section. Or if you need any support or help, you can check out my Discord server. The links are in the description below, where you can get some support out there. Okay. So that's everything, guys. Really, thank you for joining me for today and spending your valuable time out there chatting with me. And tomorrow morning, there will be a video on cross-site scripting, and if possible, I'll try to show them on. Uh, if possible, I'll try to show that attack out there on what you call real websites, if possible. Uh, that's it, guys. Really, thank you. Yeah, if possible, I'll try to post them on Instagram. No need. No worries regarding that. So really thank you guys for watching this video. This is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye and take care.